How to make a tender family grill. There's something special about gathering your family around a delicious homemade grill. Today, I'll show you how to make a tender, flavorful grilled dish using simple ingredients you probably already have at home. Let's get started. First, prepare your ingredients. You'll need fresh onions, garlic, ginger, salt, your favorite seasoning blend, and of course, your choice of meat or vegetables. For this, we are using 2.5 kilograms of lamb lab. The secret to a tender grill begins with a good marinade. Start by finely chopping the onions, garlic, and ginger. As you cut, you'll already notice the rich aroma building. That's the foundation of your flavor. Now, in a large bowl, combine the chopped onions, garlic, and ginger. Add a generous pinch of salt and your seasoning. This could be a mix of black pepper, paprika, herbs, or any spices your family loves. Feel free to get creative here. Next, add a little oil to the mixture. This helps carry the flavors deep into the food and keeps everything juicy while grilling. Now, take your meat or vegetables and coat them thoroughly in the marinade. Use your hands to massage the mixture in after making cuts on the meat. This step is important as it helps tenderize and infuse every bite with flavor. Cover the bowl and let it rest. For best results, allow it to marinate for at least 8 to 9 hours. If you have more time, letting it sit overnight will make it even more tender and delicious. When you're ready to cook, preheat your grill to medium heat. Place your marinated pieces onto a parchment paper with diced onions, black pepper, salt, and chill rape, and cover again with foil and carefully place on the grill. Let them cook slowly, turning occasionally so they cook evenly on all sides. As they grill, you'll hear that satisfying sizzle and smell the incredible blend of spices and aromatics. Keep an eye on the texture. You're looking for a golden, slightly charred exterior while the inside stays juicy and tender. Once done, remove from the grill and let it rest for a few minutes. This helps keep all those flavorful juices inside. Now it's time to serve. Gather your family, plate up your tender grilled dish, and enjoy the result of your effort together. Simple ingredients, a little patience, and a lot of love. That's the secret to a perfect family grill. Enjoy your meal.